So place painted the garage. It looks really nice now. The next step is to paint the floor. It's been 2 days since we pressure washed it. We've had fans blowing on it. I imagine that it's as dry as it's going to get, and it's actually not raining for a change. So we're going to start cutting in the base now. The paint we're using is a solvent-based solid concrete sealer, gold gray. Let me see if I can find the receipt for it. So here's the receipt for that. That's the gold gray. It's typically $243.95. I was able to use my place I work for has an account with Sherwin-Williams, and I got a discount on it of $73. So. One of the most profound statements I have ever heard in my life was on an episode of Ask This Old House, and I forget the guy's name, the new guy. When I say new guy, the guy that replaced Bob Vila, whatever the younger guy's name is. He was talking to a painter, and he says, you know, what's the key to painting? What is the trick? You know, if everybody needs to know that he's the paint. And the painter said, get the paint out of the can and onto the wall. And that statement has been a profound statement, has affected my life, because there's so many things that we overthink. And just get the paint out of the can. So that runs through my mind quite a bit. And in this case, it's not a metaphor. We got that sealer out and onto the floor. I didn't bother to time it, but it went pretty quickly, all things considered. I have a feeling a second coat probably wouldn't be a bad idea. We will let this dry, and I will go back post-hoc and read the instructions and see what it says for recoat times. But I'm pretty happy with it so far. All right, so you got 2 coats of paint on the floor, and I'm pretty happy with that. Like I said, clay painted the walls. I bought some lights. That's what the second part of this video is going to be about. The lights, and the box had dirt on one corner, and I somehow managed to set it on and muddy up the wall. It's, go figures. Hey, anyway, I will put in a link of the lights that I bought off of Amazon. It was $160. $170, something like that. There's 80 feet of high output LEDs in here. I believe they're high outputs. I forget the wattage, but anyway. I'll put the link up now. Sorry, the lens is getting fogged out. It's a little humid out. So we'll get these installed and bring you back. Alright, so the camera will adjust for the ambient light, so it's hard to sort of give you a good idea through the video camera of how much brighter the shop is, but you know, hopefully you'll be able to tell that there's quite a bit of difference. For me, the important thing is not to see shadows, and with all the different lights from the different angles, it sort of pretty much eliminates all the shadows. Ideally, some more lights on the front of the garage would be preferable for somebody that keeps the garage doors shut all the time. I think the garage doors will stay open the vast majority of the time, so I'm not too worried about having lights over where the doors will be. But I'm real happy with this, and again, I'll put a screenshot of the lights that I bought, and I think that's about it. Now I'll probably finish this video up with some before and after shots. So thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.